Arsenal is going big after this World Cup. Arsenal have stepped up their pursuit of Newcastle United midfielder Bruno Guimaraes after the Brazilian reportedly informed the club of his desire to leave this summer. Reports suggest the Newcastle captain is pushing for a move to Arsenal, with the Gunners preparing a big money bid to secure his signature. Despite strong interest and offers reportedly around €60 million, Newcastle are standing firm and insist their key player is not for sale, at least for now. Guimaraes, who impressed at the 2026 World Cup and was one of the Newcastle's standout performers last season, could now be heading for a career-defining move as tensions grow behind the scene. Will Arsenal land their top midfielder target, or Newcastle will hold on to their captain? Stay tuned for more updates.